most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
And we say good morning, everybody. Great to be with you here as we see some clouds overhead. Yesterday was gorgeous. We're talking about a sunny day with temperatures shooting up into the 60s. It was fantastic after Saturday's rain, and now the clouds taking back over, at least for a little bit. We'll see partly sunny skies, we'll call it here, as we move into the afternoon. So all of that coming up in just a bit. We'll get to it. We've got temperatures that are fairly mild. Chambersburg, because of clear skies in Franklin County, dipping to 42, but elsewhere we see numbers in the 50s. 50 in Harrisburg, 51 in Lancaster, Lebanon at 51. So it's a decent start, and we're much warmer than yesterday. A jump of over 10 degrees in York and Harrisburg. We've got Lebanon at 3 degrees warmer, Lancaster at 7 degrees warmer. So on the whole, it's a mild start, and now we await for the approach of some more showers, although I think today will be dry, but tonight and early tomorrow we can't say the same. So again, Chambersburg 41 with clear skies and calm winds. One of our cooler spots this morning there at the Visitor Center. Everybody else seems to be in the 50s, or at least a lot of places, including Fawn Grove at 53 this morning. As we check out our hyper-local WeatherNet sites, we've got Hummelstown, Lower Dolphin High School at 52, 51 at the Country Club of York this morning, and Wildwood Park in Harrisburg is at 50 degrees. So as I mentioned yesterday, 33 and then up to 63 degrees in the afternoon. It was about as perfect of a March day as you could envision. The record high today, 79. That will be safe, even though we should get back into the low 60s. 1974, that was set. The record low is 8, and no rain yesterday, as it was just gorgeous. So this is Kinzer's. We're going to show you the temperatures here today. Should be starting around 50 and getting into the low 60s. Not much of a breeze today either, although that could change tonight as we start to see some easterly flow develop ahead of a weak area of low pressure that's going to ride up along the coast. We can start to see the leading edge of this here near Ocean City. But I will tell you that it's not a lot of rain, but it is going to make things dreary here. We also have a frontal system off to our west that doesn't have a lot of moisture with it. So today should be dry as we await the approach of a low off the coast. But by this evening, cloudy skies are going to be the rule here. 60 degrees at 5 o'clock, the sun setting then after 5, and temperatures staying in the 50s. So likely another mild night on the way as high pressure starts to give way to, look at this little low here along the coast. That's going to lift to the north and push this moisture northward and give us the opportunity for some showers here as we move into tomorrow. So today we'll call it partly sunny. I think there will be breaks in the clouds at times, but they're also going to be stubborn. And then tonight we start to see showers develop, especially over our eastern tier counties. It's going to be light. Notice the heaviest rain stays to our east, but they're going to hang around through the morning hours. Then we'll get a break. We might even get some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. We'll follow that on Wednesday with another system coming in here from the west that's going to ride up along the coast and give us some moisture here by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Again, the majority of it staying to our east, but there's going to be enough moisture here to linger into early Thursday. So how much rain over the next few days do we anticipate? Not a lot, especially if you live west of the Susquehanna, but it does look like maybe about a quarter to a half inch again here as we continue to see sort of a wet pattern, right? It's been fairly wet. We've had a decent amount of rain every few days, it seems like. So east winds are going to pick up later today and tonight. That's going to draw in that moisture from the coast. And then not really too breezy here on Tuesday, but as we move into Wednesday and Thursday ahead of our next system, we start to see a northeast breeze develop. So these east winds have been pretty common too over the last several days, and they're going to be common here as we move into this week as well. So the extended outlook does show again Wednesday, the second half of Wednesday looks wet. Thursday and Friday we will dry out. Next weekend, by the way, here comes another storm that looks to make things wet for us again on Saturday into Sunday. So it's every few days, and then we cool off enough that we could see some snow showers behind that one heading into the next week. No significant snow, and it's not going to cool down again to feel too much like winter, but it is going to get cooler here by next weekend and into the second week of March. So 62 today, partly sunny skies tonight, 46. Showers will develop here overnight into the first part of Tuesday. It does look like tomorrow will feature some morning showers, and then afternoon and evening showers Wednesday. Thursday, some clouds will hang around, partly sunny. Temperatures, though, staying fairly mild here all week. 56 degrees heading into the day on Friday. Friday looks like it could be our best day with a break in the rain, and then more rain coming here for the weekend. Saturday, looking wet, but we cool things off down to around 50 degrees here Saturday and Sunday. So not too much up and down this week, which is good news. We just have to watch for the rain, and we'll try to fine-tune the timing of all of this here over the next couple of days.
That does look like a spring-like pattern, though, that we're stuck in.
It certainly does, yes, much more so than winter. And when it cools off, we're going to cool off into the low 50s, so that's not bad.
All right. Thank you, Brett.
Yep.
We'll be right back.